Good morning, team. How's everybody doing today? Welcome back to another vlog. In today's vlog now, we are currently looking at another community. It's another hymn. Guys, I don't know if you recognize them trees there, but in one of my previous vlogs, they may get burned by there. Somebody commented the correct name, which is the Maiden plum tree. I got burnt by them and it did swell up me and it was atrocious. However, guys, we are out in the great community of, and you guys already know why I'm gonna mention these community name, but this is in Montego Bay, of course, and I'm gonna show you another exclusive one where the exclusive people them live, the so-called elites, them people there. And yeah, guys, I am not going to be stating the name of the community, only I'll show it so that you guys can see what is available in Jamaica. If you guys are really interested in the community and you guys shoot me a text, I'll definitely let you guys know where I am. But for now, you guys just going to see the community, and I've seen that you guys love these type of videos. I appreciate these type of videos, where in which I get the most views on these type of videos. So we're in another community, guys. We're around the back, and I am going to show you what is behind these walls, if you recognize the community. So let's go, guys, and have a look. See, boys, bye. So guys, we are starting with house number 1, house number 2. As you guys can see, it's kind of late in the evening, so the place kind of not so shiny and bright. As you can see, people dog them up here. So most we can tell you as of now is that we are definitely in Montego Bay, you know, my parish overall. And yeah, so just some of the few exclusive, exquisite places them in St. James. And we're gonna take time to go into other parishes, slowly but surely. But for now, let's enjoy what we have here. So this video is mainly for those who are interested in, you know, property sake and all of them look sake. I'm just exposing it to what Jamaica have to offer. And who don't know about Jamaica, welcome to the island, welcome to my island. And for those who don't know, these videos mostly done inside of a vehicle, where in which up here so is huge. I'm unable to like walk out that property here. Therefore we take the time drive and look through. And so far that I have noticed, there's a lot of villas up here, a lot of villas. And I don't know, for some strange reason, the top communities them everybody convert them house into villas. Mainly I believe it's because the people them the people them not live here, so why else to do the house, you know? And occupants really give the house its life, so you know, turn it into an asset. Yes, sir, ski. So yes, this community is a gated community, you know. You have a good reason for the up here. Yes, sir, ski. I like up here, so well, up here so is a little bit cheaper than the one that I filmed before. Yeah. It's a little bit cheaper or more reasonable. It's more reasonable than the one I filmed before. So we are going to palm trees where I lay up. A lot of villa, guys. I don't know if you guys recognize these homes or one of you guys live up here, but you know, just showing those who aren't familiar with the exclusivity in Jamaica, you know, and those who want to see behind certain walls. And you know, if you know the community, can just tell a friend, say, yo, up there, son, so up there, look, you know, because otherwise that the securities won't let you through the gate. Yes, sir. So guys, I'm full of speed bump up here. Full of speed bump. Yes, sir. So let me introduce you to my channel for those who are tuning in for the first time. This is a real estate construction channel in which I show projects in Jamaica, and explain a little bit how we do construction. Yes, sir. Take on construction works. All that. Emails are readily available, and you can check out my content and within the rest of my videos, you know, quality and all of that. So as I say, up here is mostly used for the land. I have a lot that I could turn off. I know a little to nothing about up here, so unlike the last vlogs, I could give you somewhat information on the video, on the community. Yeah man, I don't really know much, and I don't have the guide with me who explains most of the history and every little thing behind these houses and community, and in terms of all the roads and amenities and what else, and you know, all of that good stuff. Famous Nick one, my friend Nick one. Yes guys, so this house is beautiful. Some we call bull mastic, one of them big dog there. So yes guys, the sun is going down and we are trying to beat the sun. We are trying to beat the sun. Hidden gem guy, hidden gem. We're going further out. So guys, let me reiterate, my intent is not to show anybody's property or yard or anything like that. I am just looking behind the walls and giving the world an inside scoop. Nothing too detailed, nothing like that. My intent is not to evade any privacy or anything like that. We're just having a glimpse, and it's mostly villa, so why not? I'm not pointing any camera within anybody's property or space or anything like that. We're just taking a peep from the public easement, you know. So that's another villa, guys. Yo, and some of these houses I've heard go for like $4,000 US a night, 3,000. Well, I've heard as much as 4,000 a night. And I think that is outside Dashan's budget, so I want to stone that. So these villas are mostly aimed at tourists, so not for those living in Jamaica to come and book and stay. Yeah. Yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. As you can see, sea view. As per usual. If I pay, alright, I only can give you guys somewhat amount of information, which includes like the price range of the houses up here, so. But when I check the market, I say most houses up here, most of them above $1 million US. So between $1 million and $3 million, you should be able to get a house up here. I'm not sure the prices of the lot, but my amenities like some courts down there says it's a cul-de-sac, not a dead end. Somebody pointed out in the last video the difference between a cul-de-sac and a dead end to me, and it's my bad guys for using the wrong terms, but it happens sometimes I don't remember everything like that, but I appreciate the clarity sometimes, all the times. So on here big and bad people, man, I tell you, exclusive. A lot of people live in Montego Bay and yet to get the opportunity to visit up here, so yeah, The aristocrats them there, brother. And they don't want nobody better them, brother. Listen. Yes, sir, Steve. They don't want nobody better them. So mostly villas, guys. Villas. So anyways, yeah man, the retaining wall here definitely can build a house. I can tell you that. Yep. Sun is going down, guys, so let's try to make this quick. So yeah guys, most of the properties out here have sea view, most of them, especially the ones on your right coming up, left going down, sea view. Yes sir, and I think I know the person who drives this car. Oh go on, eh? There man, yeah, they come on fight. So guys, that concludes our little tour, and this is the community. I don't know if you guys are interested in the community, but this is Montego Bay, and if you guys are interested in a community like this and you text me, I can tell you where this is, and gonna do whatever from there. But you guys, I'm just giving you guys a sneak peek on what is behind the walls within some Jamaican communities. And so guys, please remember to subscribe, watch more other videos. Construction is going on and I'm filming. Let's go. Team Ismash, I'm out.